Now, we know the collective body of the director is known as the board of directors. We understand that there must be a one woman directors if the company must comply to the requirement. But there also a requirement of resident director in our board. Now another question arises that which director should be known as a resident director? What is a resident director? A resident director is a director who is stayed in India for not less than 182 days in the financial year. And according to the provision of the Act, the company need to have at least one resident director in their board of directors. Whenever an existing director of the company become interested in any transaction of the company, then the director become an interested director. Listed company. Every listed company shall have 1/3 of the board as independent director. First is all the public company which has a paid up share capital of 10 crore or more. Second is all the public company whose turnover is more than 100 crore. The third limit is about outstanding loan, debenture, deposit which are exceeding 50 crores rupees, then that company needs to have at least 2 independent directors in their board of directors. So, you have to remember that if your company is a listed company, then you have a requirement as a 1/3 of your board need to be as an independent director. And if your company is a public company and the limit given here, your company is exceeding that limit, then you have to comply with that provision. Now, the next provisions regarding the director is executive and non-executive directors. In the company, the board of director comprise of both. There are both types of directors in the board. The directors which are responsible for managing all the operations taken by the company are known as an executive director. As for the non-executive directors, those are the types of directors which take parts in different board meetings and help in framing different policies for the company. Note that an independent director are the types of non-executive directors. They are the one who participate in the board meeting and discussion. So that's it. We are done for the day. I hope now you have a clear understanding regarding this topic. So what are the minimum and maximum requirement? What is a woman directors and an independent directors? So please guys, like and follow my channel.